Bienvenidos. Welcome everybody. As you know, ser and estar both mean to be in Spanish, but they can change the meaning of a sentence. For example, estoy aburrido means I'm bored, while soy aburrido means I'm boring. In today's video, I'll show you more examples like this so you can see how each verb changes the meaning. Plus, I'll give you a simple trick to remember when to use each one. Empecemos. I'll show estar on the left and ser on the right. Estoy listo. Estoy listo. I'm ready. Soy listo. Soy listo. I'm smart. Está rico. Está rico. It's good or it tastes good. Es rico. Es rico. He's rich. Estoy cansado or cansada. Estoy cansado. I'm tired. Es cansado. Es cansado. It's tiring. Está grave. Está grave. He or she is critically ill. Es grave. Es grave. It's serious. Está malo. Está malo. It's gone bad. Es malo. Es malo. He is bad. Estoy seguro or segura. Estoy seguro. I'm certain. Es seguro. Es seguro. It's safe. Está verde. Está verde. It's unripe. For a fruit, for example. Es verde. Es verde. It's green. Está vivo. Está vivo. He's alive. Es vivo. Es vivo. He's sharp. Está claro. Está claro. It's evident. Es claro. Es claro. It's light. Like light colored. Está viejo. Está viejo. It looks old. Es viejo. Es viejo. He's old. Estoy feliz. Estoy feliz. I'm happy. It's a temporary feeling. Soy feliz. Soy feliz. It also means I'm happy, but it's a more permanent state. Overall, you're always happy. Está bueno. Está bueno. It's good. Es bueno. Es bueno. He's good. Está enfermo or enferma. Está enfermo. He or she's sick. Es enfermo or enferma. Es enfermo. He or she's sickly all the time. Está oscuro. Está oscuro. It's dark, temporary dark. Es oscuro. Es oscuro. It's dark in color. Está atento. Está atento. He's paying attention. Es atento. Es atento. He's attentive. Está interesado or interesada. Está interesado. He or she's fascinated. Es interesado. Es interesado. He's self-serving. Está orgulloso or orgullosa. Está orgulloso. He or she's proud. Es orgulloso or orgullosa. Es orgulloso. He or she's arrogant. So very similar words, but just by changing the verb, it's a completely different meaning. So you want to make sure you're using the correct one for the meaning that you're trying to say. I already have a video with examples of when to use each verb, but here's a better way to remember them. For estar, remember place. The P for position. For example, mi mamá está acostada. Mi mamá está acostada. My mom is lying down. El for location. Estamos en la tienda. Estamos en la tienda. We're at the store. A for action. Él está corriendo. Él está corriendo. He's running. C for condition. Usually temporary. Mi amiga está enferma. Mi amiga está enferma. My friend is sick. E for emotions. Ellos están tristes. Ellos están tristes. They are sad. For ser, remember doctor. D for description. Yo soy alto. Yo soy alto. I'm tall. O for occupation. Ella es maestra. Ella es maestra. She's a teacher. C for characteristic. Él es inteligente. Él es inteligente. He's intelligent. T for time. Son las 2 en punto. Son las 2 en punto. It's 2 o'clock. O for origin. Soy de México. Soy de México. I'm from Mexico. Or for relationships. Somos amigos. Somos amigos. We're friends. So this is a good way to remember when to use each one, place or doctor. You of course also need to know how to conjugate them. Here's ser in present tense. Yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are, for singular and informal. Usted es, you are, for singular formal. Él es, he is. Ella es, she is. Nosotros or nosotras somos. We are. Vosotros or vosotras sois. You are, it means plural you and it's mainly used in Spain. Ustedes son also means you are, it's plural and it's mainly used in Latin America. Ellos or ellas son. They are. And here's the chart for estar in present tense. Yo estoy, I am. Tú estás, you are, singular informal. Usted está, you are, singular formal. Él está, he is. Ella está, she is. Nosotros, nosotras estamos, we are. Vosotros, vosotras estáis, you are, plural. Ustedes están, you are, plural. Ellos or ellas están, they are. I really hope this was helpful. To keep learning Spanish, go watch this video next. Muchas gracias.